Sometimes, the biggest miracles happen by accident. This is the story of how one woman's mistake became a global success. Like, share, and subscribe for more real-life inspiring stories. It was a busy morning inside Lumina Lux Laboratories, one of the city's biggest beauty and fashion research companies. Scientists in white coats rushed around, testing, mixing, and preparing samples for the next big cosmetic launch. Among them was Amara Johnson, a 29-year-old black lab worker. She wasn't a top scientist or a manager, just a hardworking assistant who cleaned bottles, labeled ingredients, and supported the team. Amara had a dream: to one day create her own skincare line for women with dark complexions. But for now, she worked quietly in the background, steady, invisible, and often overlooked. That day, the CEO of Lumina Lux, Clara Devon, a sharp, confident woman in her 40s, had announced a challenge. Whoever creates the next hit product, something truly innovative, will receive a huge bonus and an executive promotion. The whole lab buzzed with excitement. Amara didn't think it concerned her. She wasn't even part of the formulation team. But destiny had other plans. While restocking ingredients near one of the mixing tables, Amara accidentally knocked over a small bottle of natural oil blend into a container that already had biohydra serum base. The mixture fizzed and changed color, from clear to a shimmering golden cream. She gasped, thinking she had ruined an expensive batch. Frantically, she grabbed paper towels and tried to clean it up. But something about the texture caught her eye. It shimmered gently under the lab light, not oily, not sticky, just smooth and glowing. Curious, she dabbed a little on her hand. The effect was instant. Her skin turned luminous, hydrated, soft. Her colleague passed by and froze. "Whoa, Amara, what is that? Your skin looks amazing." Amara blinked. "It's an accident." The next morning, she left a small jar of the mixture on her supervisor's desk with a note. "I think this could be something." Hours later, the CEO herself walked into the lab. "Who made Formula 47G?" she demanded, holding the jar. Everyone went silent. Amara hesitantly stepped forward. I did. But it was an accident." Clara studied her for a long moment, then smiled for the first time that day. "Sometimes accidents are genius, Amara. This is beautiful." Within a week, Lumina Lux's test group reported record-breaking results. They called it the Glow Serum. The serum sold out in the first 24 hours after launch. Within 3 months, it became one of the most viral skincare products online, especially among women of color who finally found a product that made their skin shine naturally. During the company's celebration event, Clara invited Amara on stage. "She wasn't supposed to mix formulas," Clara said, smiling. "But sometimes, innovation doesn't follow instructions. It follows courage." The crowd cheered as Amara received her promotion letter, from lab worker to head of product innovation. Tears filled her eyes. All those nights she spent cleaning bottles, watching others create, believing her ideas didn't matter, suddenly they did. Months later, in her new corner office, Amara placed a small framed note on her desk. It read, "There are no mistakes, only hidden discoveries." She had gone from invisible to unstoppable. And the world would never forget the woman whose accident changed beauty forever. That day, Amara went from assistant to head of innovation. Sometimes, mistakes aren't failures, they're destiny.